Two insurance giants face off, but which one really keeps you covered? On the left, Lemonade, the tech-savvy disruptor changing how we think about insurance. And on the right, American Family Insurance, a trusted name with decades of experience. Let's push past the slogans and get into what actually matters. Each round will score key features, and by the end, you'll see exactly who comes out ahead. The winner might surprise you. Okay, quick look at our battle map before we dive in. We're gonna break things down by price and value, the claims process, digital experience, customer service, coverage options, and yeah, a bit about their mission and innovation, because honestly, sometimes that stuff does matter. Ready, let's roll. First things first, price and value. Lemonade usually comes in with some of the lowest rates I've seen, especially for renters and homeowners. Their pricing is super upfront, what you see is what you get, which is so refreshing. Although, just a heads up, their discounts aren't as deep as the old-school providers. On the flip side, American Family's got those classic bundling deals, think auto and home together for savings, plus you get that personalized agent touch. But here's the rub, if you're not into bundling or their eligibility thing, their basic coverage can be pricier. So, in terms of pure value, I gotta give Lemonade the nod. Now let's talk claims. Lemonade comes in hot with their AI-driven claims, like you can literally get some claims approved in seconds. It's fast, digital, simple. Sure, if things get complicated, you might have to talk to a real person, but for most situations, it's super smooth. American Family, well, they run on that tried-and-true established process. Local agents can help, but honestly, it's just slower. More paperwork, longer wait. If speed matters, Lemonade takes it here. Digital experience time. Lemonade is basically built for your phone. The app is slick. You can get a quote, file a claim, or pay a bill faster than you can microwave popcorn. And yep, if you like physical branches, well, Lemonade's not your thing because those definitely don't exist. American Family, though, is picking up their online game, and you get the bonus of local agents if you want that human touch. But honestly, their app and website still feel kind of old school and clunky in comparison. So this one, no question, Lemonade wins for digital-first folks. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Lemonade can process some claims in under 3 seconds. Yeah, 3 seconds, that's thanks to their AI wizardry. Kind of wild, right? But hold on, what about customer service? Lemonade's all about that 24/7 chat support, which is pretty cool, but if you want to call and talk to a human, options are way more limited. With American Family, this is where they shine. You get personal agents for tailored advice, plus round-the-clock phone, agent, or even in-person help if that's your style. Only thing is, your mileage may vary depending on your agent. Still, American Family totally takes this round. Coverage options, this gets interesting. Lemonade's got super solid options for renters, homeowners, pet lovers, and even term life insurance. And this is a big but, if you're wanting something like auto or business insurance or just more specialty coverage, it's pretty limited. American Family, though, wow, it's like an insurance buffet: auto, home, life, umbrella, business, the works. It can get a little overwhelming, though, with all their packages and options. But in terms of sheer breadth, this one's going to American Family. Okay, now innovation and mission. Lemonade is actually a certified B Corp, which is kinda rare for insurance. They give back unclaimed premiums to charities, which is honestly pretty awesome, and they're really transparent about their fees. The only catch is they're still new on the scene, not quite the household name yet. American Family has a strong record of giving back too, but their model is way more traditional, you know. So for cool factor and mission, Lemonade pulls ahead. If you're a visual person, let's look at where each company shines on this nifty radar chart. Some wins are clear, but it's not all one-sided. So here's my take. If you want insanely fast, digital-first insurance and you're after affordability, Lemonade is probably your go-to. But if you're looking for the comfort of an agent, broad coverage options, and a more classic approach, American Family totally delivers. Either way, you're covered, but the real winner, it's gonna depend on the vibe you're after. If this helped clear things up for you, share it with a friend who's stressing over insurance. And hey, hit that follow so you don't miss out on the next smart comparison.